Hey guys, this is Jason with KG Fireworks.
Just going to show you guys how you can shoot off bottle rockets in a much more efficient way than hooking these all to a single fuse. Just need some kind of a pipe, PVC pipe. This is PEX. Anything will do. Have some spray adhesive. Spray one side on the edge. Dip it in some gunpowder. Stick it in the ground. Take your bottle rockets. You can put a lot of bottle rockets on a tube like this. Feel free to pack them on there. Then when it's all set up, you get ready to do your show, you just light away.